My name is Rafat GS. Can you please tell me who you are and what you're doing?
My name is Majesty. I'm a content creator, a YouTuber.
I want to know what is that makes you fall for a girl or a lady?
If the girl is respectful, she talks well, she smells nice, yeah, make me like fall for her. And she should be nice, like super nice, and she has nyash, big buttocks. Because me, I don't like plated breast.
Per what you are saying, will you allow your best female friend to have a male friend?
My girlfriend to have a male bestie. That bestie they no ball and well. Me I go beat am away. It's my girlfriend that you got to do bestie. You should go and find a different person to do bestie. You, hey, nah, can't use my girlfriend to do bestie.
So, do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
Oh, TikTok. My TikTok is BTR Majesty one. YouTube is BTR Majesty. Instagram is BTR Majesty.
How does it spell the
The BTR is the TikTok one is BTR capital BRT underscore Majesty one. And this one YouTube too is capital letters. The BTR Majesty no one. Yeah,
so are the girls free to DM you?
plenty. Tell me your numbers. Plenty. If you like stuff, see. I'm not gonna mention my number, but if you DM me for Instagram, we go buy it. You have. Yeah, that's it.
And I guess you want the rich ladies or anyone goes.
Oh, nah, if I no be rich person, but like if I be comfortable, we no be everything. You don't have to ask me for basic needs like I want bando, lorry fare. That thing you have to. If you're a girl, you have to about at least me if I have money, I will spoil my girlfriend. I'll give my girlfriend money and stuff. But like some basic needs you have to provide for yourself. Yeah.
All right. I want to say thank you very much, bro, for speaking to me. Nice to meet you.